Hi everyone. As promised, this is a video to show you how to turn in your finished visual project. So as you can see here, I have my directions and my storyboard link to my project. Let's say I have my finished storyboard here. I put in my scenes, I put in my characters, and everything is done, ready to send. I'm going to hit the keys on my keyboard, Command-Shift-4. That's going to change my cursor so that when I click and highlight the section, it takes a picture of that and it saves it to my desktop. You probably already wrote a caption on Google Docs. If you didn't, that's important. This is a part of the assignment. And I'm going to include my screenshot. I'm just going to drag that right over. And now I have my finished storyboard and my caption that uses 3 vocabulary words. And this is ready to submit. Google Classroom is a spot where you can add your work. Your work is going to come from Google Drive. Don't get distracted by this part. This is Create New, and you already have something that you've created. So you want to open your Google Drive and find the assignment and attach it here. It's going to change to Turn In once you've attached that, and it will be ready to send in. Please send me emails if you have any questions over this, and I will help you out.